Hello, my name is Siddiqui. I'm a fashion designer and a private label manufacturer. In this video, I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview of the fashion industry and to show you some of the processes of apparel domestic production, where I encourage increasing manufacturing to help boost U.S. jobs and innovation.
Cut it precise, perfect, with no movement.
The global fashion industry is the most important sector of the economy in terms of investment, revenue, trade, and employment generation. And although employment declined considerably as production increasingly moved overseas, fashion industry still remains one of the largest employers in U.S.
Basically, this machine's just putting on the pin and box. So like for a jacket, the separating bottom. So each part is a pin and a box. So here the machine's got the pin, and then this side is where all the box is.
We're doing samples. So when this production came, it was very hard.
To line them up?
Yeah, and the triangle on the side of it was very hard, but she made a very good job.
Yeah, I know they look simple, but it is a lot of work.
Yeah.
So even just the cutting this to have the logo exactly the placement of
the large, you have it more on the side a little bit. It's from the center to the side because the waistline
it's
is longer.
larger. Fashion is a blend of art and science. We construct multidimensional objects by applying mental and physical effort. We use multitude of technology throughout the industry, both software and machinery, and every aspect of manufacturing, from design, development, to production and distribution.
Once you're done and you like the way the pattern looks, you can bring it into Tuga 3D, where you'll see it on the floor, and then you can place it around the model. So we'll start with the front.
We all know technology plays a major role. I've been in the industry for 45 years, and I've seen a lot more transformation of technology. We're coming from an era in garment industry where we had only 2 or 3 or 4 seasons maximum. We had 20 styles per season. That one designer. Coming from there, transforming 30 years fast forward, We have a continuous season. We're designing on a continuous basis. There's a huge requirement for new designs, new development.